Today, we're unboxing the DJI Air 3S Fly More combo, which comes with the DJI RC2 controller. You might be wondering why I chose the DJI Air 3S over the newer DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Well, aside from the more affordable price, the Air 3S has a 1-inch camera sensor capable of 4K resolution at 120 frames per second, which is more than enough for high-quality video production. Inside the package, you'll find a sling bag, 10 individually packed propellers, equivalent to 2 full sets, plus 2 spare propellers, 3 ND filters, ND8, ND32, and ND128 ND filters act like sunglasses for your camera. They control the amount of light entering the lens without altering the color. This allows you to use slower shutter speeds or wider apertures, even in bright conditions, perfect for achieving effects like motion blur in water or a shallow depth of field. By the way, ND stands for neutral density, and the higher the ND number, the darker the filter, which results in darker footage. Next, we have the DJI RC2 controller, which already has a built-in screen. This is a huge convenience compared to the DJI RCN3, which doesn't include a monitor and requires you to use your mobile phone instead. Then there's the battery hub, which includes 2 batteries. One more is already attached to the drone, so you get a total of 3 batteries. And finally, here's the star of the show, the DJI Air 3S drone unit. As you can see, 1 battery is already installed. I'm now removing the sticker and the gimbal camera cover. The cover is a bit tight, so be cautious when removing it to avoid any damage. Now, let's unfold the drone arms and move on to installing the propellers. The propellers I'm pointing to here are for clockwise rotation. The clockwise propellers have no markers. But we'll start with the counterclockwise ones first. It's easy to identify which propellers go where. The counterclockwise propellers have silver markers, as you can see here. When the gimbal camera is facing you, the front left and back right arms rotate counterclockwise. The front right and back left arms rotate clockwise. I'm now installing the clockwise propellers, the ones without silver markers. Next are the control sticks for the RC2 controller. They're stored on the back of the controller. Just attach them to the front, and you're good to go. That's it for the DJI Air 3S unboxing. We're now ready to pair the remote controller with the drone.